Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Gmail, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you link or connect your Gmail to your Attio account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to link your Gmail to Attio anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that switching between your email and your CRM can be time consuming multiple times throughout the day. And with Attio, you can link your Gmail directly and manage it from Attio. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Attio dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Attio account, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to link your Gmail to Attio, you're going to click on your workspace name. Once you do that, you're going to see a drop down and you want to click on account settings. Once you do that, you're going to see another menu here on the left, and you want to look for this line, email and calendar accounts. All right. Once you do that, you want to look for the Google logo and click on connect Google account. So this is going to connect your Gmail, but also your Google account. Okay. Once you do that, Google is going to open up a browser and you need to choose which Gmail you want to connect. I'm going to choose this one. Okay. Next, Google is going to let you know they're going to share your name and your email with Attio. If you're okay with that, click on continue. All right. Next, you need to choose the permissions. So I'm going to go ahead and select all. All right. Once you're done, go ahead and scroll to the bottom and click continue. Okay. Quick second later, the page refreshes. Attio immediately starts syncing your emails to your Gmail. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to link or connect your email to your Attio account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.